Ooh, a sawmill. It's a little crooked. Got some belts with variable speeds, pulleys down here. All right. Well, it's a sawmill, but let's go see what the actual claims are. So obviously he wasn't the first to patent a sawmill in 1861. Let's see here. Throw on the highlighter. William M. Ferry Jr. of Ferryburg. I wonder if he owned the place. Useful improvement in sawmills. Plan of the sawmill with my improvements applied to it. A head and end view, longitudinal view. So this is generally the long-winded explanation of the diagram, or diagrams. And sometimes that's fun to look through, but usually the meat of the matter is down here at the bottom, the actual claims. So these are the things that he claims are unique to his patent. The slotted box and the roller for the purpose of actuating the mechanism, used in reversing the motion of the sawmill. Well, I mean, first reversible sawmill, that's what he's claiming. Hand lever this, jointed thing that. If we find something small enough that we can take the patent design of, clearly long out of patent, we might do a 3D printed version, but this looks a little complicated for making a 3D printed version. All right, well, moving on.